Welcome back to day 15 of the unboxing.
All right, so this is from Armstrong. I like this. They're on Parquet Road. That's cool. I got parquet floors, so can relate to that. So let's see this Armstrong box. There's a lot of packaging here. All right. So Armstrong, it says what it is. All right. One quality ship. So classic receipt, shipment pack, nothing too fancy. No packaging, really. Not much branding, but let's see. All right, so here's the product. Product's pretty nice. This looks like it says Lux Plank with Fast Tack, Castletown, Carbonized Gray, Armstrong Flooring. Unclear, I guess I go to their website to order it. This took, I think it was 10 or 11 days. Shipping was free. You just needed a promo code for the free sample, which we got right from their site. Again, no frills, classic sample. Nothing great, nothing bad, just your old classic flooring sample.
Be sure to come back tomorrow as we have many, many more boxes to open. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel so you can be notified when we drop brand new content.